I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your BNP Paribas account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your BNP Paribas online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Cards in the main menu. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Select Add New Card. In the Payment Methods section, find and click on the option that says Add New Card. This will take you to a form where you can enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as errors can lead to issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your information, review it for accuracy and click the Confirm or Save button. You should receive a confirmation message once your card is successfully added. If you encounter a message saying your card cannot be added, ensure that the card is not expired and that all details are correct. I hope this guide helps you add your credit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.